as a real estate agent, there's a fine line between creating YouTube content that actually generates real estate leads and creating YouTube content that wastes your time. So today I want to share with you the 8 pillars of content that work here on YouTube to generate real estate leads. So make sure to stay to the end because I want you to make content a lot faster, generate more real estate leads, and close more transactions. All right, so let's get started. There's one major problem with every single real estate agent that I'm speaking to lately, and that is the problem of not knowing what to actually record next, not having a strategy. There's property tour videos over here, there's interviews with the lender over here, there's interviews with business owners over here, there's talk about the real estate market, there's a listing video, all of these different types of videos without a clear direction on what that channel is about. So that's why you as a real estate agent, you as a YouTube creator, you need to understand what strategy you're deploying on YouTube because you're going to be able to replicate it over and over and over again. Now that's an ideal situation. That's if you did get it right. But what's even more powerful is when you identify that the strategy that you're on is not working. After having helped hundreds of real estate agents launch their YouTube channels completely from scratch and having generated thousands of leads from those YouTube channels, I identified that there's 8 pillars of content here on YouTube specifically for real estate agents that actually work. Just think of each pillar like a category or a grouping, something that's similar. Now, in no particular order, here are the 8 content pillars for real estate agents. Number 1, you have the city content. This type of content has all to do with the city that you actually work in. This can be your pros and cons video. This can be your city tour video. This could be your cost of living video, all geared towards the city that you're in. The education content. This is when you educate about the real estate transaction process, how to buy, how to sell, difference between option money and earnest money, things like that. Market updates. This type of content is when you talk about the real estate market from a more macro perspective, not just an individual case by case. Here you talk about what the interest rates are doing, what the median home values are doing, where you think the market is going, content like that. Listicle videos. These are more of your bullet point videos or countdown videos that you see. The 10 best places to live, the 10 most affordable cities, the best suburbs to live in the Dallas area. Content like that. These listicle videos are some of my favorites because they're simple to make, they have high retention rates, and they allow me to build authority in multiple areas at once. Another pillar is property tours. As the name suggests, this is where you give tours of homes. This could be property tours of your personal listings, of model homes, of luxury homes. Those types of videos get a lot of views. In fact, this type of content is the one that gives you the highest likelihood of virality. Another pillar is the community influencer. This type of content is really where you plant your flag as the local expert. This is when you interview people in your industry, such as lenders, title companies, inspectors, insurance agents that are all local to the market. But you can also take the angle of interviewing business owners in the community. There's really several ways to leverage this community influencer pillar. The next pillar is the lifestyle content. This type of content helps you a tremendous amount with branding because you're sharing your lifestyle, your journey with the community. And the 8th pillar is really the most underutilized one, and that's the agent reacts pillar. This is when you as a real estate agent react to other people's content. This is where you provide your expert analysis on what's being said, either from the media, from publications, from other creators. You're able to react to their content and provide your opinion on it. Now, those are the 8 content pillars, again, in no particular order. But what's most important for me to share with you is that you don't need all 8 for your YouTube channel to be successful. At any one time, your YouTube channel should have 3 content pillars. You need to be focusing on those 3 content pillars and create content within those categories. Again, you don't want to do all 8, and you certainly don't want to do just one because you're opening yourself up to a lot of pressure on that particular category taking off. By you having 3 pillars, you're pulling in different audiences that are attracted to that style of content. And those 3 pillars should complement each other. So if somebody comes in through a city tour video, well, they might find interest and value in real estate education. In other words, all 3 pillars should help sustain your channel and help it grow.